In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kakobuy coupons. In order to use Kakobuy coupons, you can head over first to the Kakobuy website by going to kakobuy.com, and you should be able to see in here this. Just enter the product that you wish to check out. You can see right here some orders. You can enter the product link or name of the store or link and search for it. For example, let's search right here per bag. Proceed to search. So just wait for them, and you can see right here some products that you can actually check out. For example, let's head over and then buy this particular bag. Click on this. And after that, this will direct you to a new window with the product information. So for this case, just head over and see it right here. Choose right here the quantity that you want to purchase, and then choose right here the actual details. Now, as you can see, you can just choose seller delivery up to the Kakabuy's warehouse and send from the warehouse from there as well. You can click on this buy now, log into your account, and then add a coupon that you wish to use. With that, it will be deducted from your coupon instead of actually just buying it straight from pocket. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.